outside right now?
Go home, walking home.
Sir, what are you doing outside right now? Shouldn't you be watching shitty movies on Netflix? What are you doing outside right now?
That's a deep question. I'm a being, an entity, made up of tissue, a walking plant. Look at these veins. They're the same structure as the trees. How does this exist?
Do you think that global warming isn't really working based on this? Do you think the people behind us are doing outside?
I can think them to do anything, goddammit.
Doesn't this make you wish global warming was real?
I know.
To Minnesotans, vaping is more important than staying alive. Today we're trying to figure out what people are doing outside if they're not also interviewing people, asking them what they're doing outside.
I'm outside because I'm doing a little